Cheese.
Hi, Jake, who are you sitting here with?
Lyra.
Oh, who's Lyra?
She's, Pat and Jamie's baby.
What are we doing?
We're taking care of her because Jamie taking Jerry for a walk.
Oh, what do you think of Lyra?
She's great.
She's great.
Yeah,
Well, what do you think is the best part about her?
that she's here.
That she's here. That's a good answer. And you think that we should have a baby like Lyra?
Yeah.
What do you think your daddy's going to think of that?
I don't know.
Oh. And you don't have any guesses at all?
Yeah, well, that's only today. Well, why don't you set the video now?
Oh. Well, I was going to ask you, who do you think Lyra looks like, Pat or Jamie?
I said Pat.
Oh, you think she looks like Pat? You like holding her?
Yeah,
Yeah?
she's pretty warm.
She's pretty warm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you put a blanket on us?
Well, Jamie carried her from their house over here. It's cold outside. So she wanted to make sure she stayed warm.
So maybe we could take care of her.
Sure. That's a great idea.
Maybe you could set the video now.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Say Jake and Lyra signing off.
Taking later, signing off.